Hey, kings and queens, happy Saturday. It is me, Carl, and I am back with a non-phone work from home job. Guys, this company is hiring ASAP and there is no interview, and you can work when you want. Make sure you smash that red subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, like and share the video because on this YouTube channel, not only do we talk about those good old work from home jobs, but we give you guys options with side gigs, side hustles, and we do real giveaways. So if you missed the live stream from yesterday, I talked about a company that is looking for 6,000 non-phone work from home agents. So you're not talking to anyone. You can work when you want. The pay is $18 an hour, and they are hiring on the spot. Seems like a lot of people were applying and hearing back yesterday and the day before. So make sure you guys go back, watch the replay, sit there, guys, watch the video. Look to see what the other kings and queens said that they are doing to make money. And I am going to talk about those no resume, work when you want side gigs and side hustles on this video as well. Do not forget about the giveaway. So we are doing a grocery giveaway in a couple of more weeks on the channel. We are also going to be giving away some school supplies. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think we should do for this back to school giveaway? Should we do gift cards, school supplies, backpacks? I want to hear from you guys. I think we might do some gift cards and we might do some school supplies as well. So let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think we should give away? Also, let me know about the $1,000 Cash App giveaway once we hit 125,000 subscribers. Should we bless one person, two people, five people, 10 people? Put your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. Do not forget about Tell Us has a non-phone work when you want opportunity, and also Engage CX. They are looking to fill their political survey agent work from home positions as well. Now that information, guys, look in the description box right below the video to get the info. Now let's get into this one. So the company is We Localize, and we've talked about this company several times. They have a Scout Search Quality Rater, as you guys can see, English, United States. Now the drawback to this one, it is state specific. So it says We Localize is seeking English speakers to help support our clients' project as a search quality rater. In this position, you will use your unique gifts of understanding people's intentions to improve the online search engine experience. Our main goal for this project is to develop and augment AI data. To put it more plainly, you will provide subjective and objective ratings based on the project rules and the conventions. So, you will complete tasks in American English. In this position, you will be able to set your own schedule to accomplish the weekly goals. However, you'll only be able to receive support from the project management team during business hours, which is Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., and it is in Pacific time. So it says here, guys, minimum of 10 hours per week, up to 29 hours per week. Set your own schedule, which is great. Start date ASAP. This is a W-2 part-time, so you're not not an independent contractor with this company. You are a employee or an employee. So it says the work is based on project needs. Weekly hours may vary. They do offer benefits as well. So that is not bad at all. So let's just go ahead and click the apply here button so that you guys can see at the time I made the video, this position is still open and it is still available. So I am just going to scroll on down so you guys can see they are currently hiring in Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, but not Chicago, Maine, Minnesota, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Texas, Virginia, and Wisconsin. And if you guys scroll down, click where it says apply to this job. And if you go on the application page, you can see right here, guys, what the project pays an hour. So $14.50 an hour. Part-time, non-phone, no interview. You really don't need experience for this one, and you can work when you want. So this company, guys, they are also on a hiring spree. So make sure you guys get this egg in your basket. We Localize is the company. Go over to Google, research the company. It takes 1 to 2 minutes to type in WELOCALIZE in the search bar. See what comes up about this company. If it is not for you, I do understand, but still share the information. Come back to the video in the comment section, type I shared. Your name will go on the next giveaway list. Now, we are giving away a laptop over in the Facebook group. So if you have not joined us, please do so. It is Kiss That Cubicle Goodbye. Now, Tan put this list of companies together for you guys, and you will hear me talk about these side gigs and side hustles in every single video. She's going to add some more companies on here. We talked about this a couple of days ago, so we decided to add some more companies. But right now she has 51 on this list for you guys to take a look at. If you are on a phone and you see all these ads popping up, bypass the ads. But the best thing to do to access our blog is to access it from a computer, a laptop, or a desktop. That way you can see the screen much more clearer and better. So Prime Opinion is the first company, guys. Now, we've had several people that were here on the live stream last night that got paid out from this company. This is a survey site, and we do understand that surveys are not for every single person here. But I would say, check out Prime Opinion. They pay up to $5 per survey. The king of branded, he does Prime Opinion now, and he is making $150 a week from this site. We have another queen. She makes $100 a week from Prime Opinion. Somebody else here last night said that she has made, I want to say it was like $400 or $500 off of Prime Opinion. Somebody else made $300 off of Prime Opinion. So guys, stop sleeping on these survey sites and thinking that they don't pay out. If you think about it, what if you could get $400 a month off of Prime Opinion? Just doing your surveys here and there, maybe not doing them every single day, but that $400, it can pay a bill or two or three or four. Don't sleep on these side gigs and side hustles. Come on these live streams so that you guys can see what the kings and queens are doing. What type of strategies are they using to make this type of money? We have several queens here that only do side gigs and side hustles. Survey Junkie, this is a good one, guys, because early in the morning, one of the queens dropped the sauce, and she did state that early in the morning they post those $5 surveys. Inbox dollars. Inbox dollars is my favorite because they don't do the point system. They do the cash. So whatever you guys do on this site, you will see cash in the background on your dashboard. Earn House, they don't do the points either. They only do the cash, and they pay out instantly to PayPal. It is a survey site. You can make up to, according to their site, $25 per survey. Poll Reward survey site, Pinecone Research. This is the Get Paid to Test Product site. Product Review Jobs, Get Paid to Test Products. Product Report Card, Get Paid to Test Products. Some of y'all are still sleeping on these Get Paid to Test Product sites when these are by far the easiest side hustles out there. So you will have to complete your profile and then check your email. See if they have sent you any surveys. Check the spam folder. See if you have gotten any surveys from them. Fill out the surveys, and then they'll send you an email letting you know whether or not you qualify to test the product. They'll send you guys the product at no extra charge, no purchase necessary, so you don't have to come out of pocket with anything. They'll just ship you the product straight to your front door. It could be anything, guys. It could be a coffee maker. One of our queens here, she received a kitchen scale. Somebody else here got a printer, a real expensive printer at that. Somebody else here, guys, got some makeup, some expensive makeup from the MAC company. MAC makeup is very expensive. And if you don't know what MAC is, go and Google MAC. It will come up and you can see for yourself how much this makeup costs. And it is not cheap at all. Also, guys, we had somebody to get some candy. Somebody's testing some lotion, and somebody else is testing a body wash. And I did see one of the queens did send us some photos of this skincare study that she is doing, and she got a box of really nice products. And if you guys want to see what the products look like, hop over to Facebook and check them out. Tan and myself used to do Pinecone research. I got a lot of food and drink products. Tan got a lot of food, drink, toiletries, and also she got a lot of household products. And the household products were like the wipes, the Lysol wipes, the Clorox wipes. She may have gotten a few off-brand wipes. She may have gotten also the cleaners like the Fabuloso, the Comet, the Ajax. She got some dishwashing liquid. She got some deodorant, a lot of different toiletries, body wash, soap. So, guys, stop sleeping on these side gigs and side hustles where you can get paid to test these products. And again, the products are free. You do not have to give out any credit card or checking account information. All you have to do is just let them know your address. They will ship you the product, and in turn, guys, you can keep the product and get paid for doing so. Free cash. Number 13, free cash has been standing on our backs, looking for more people to sign up, play these games, and you guys could be making money on auto spin. We went over that on the stream yesterday. We went over that on the stream the day before. We have been going over how you guys can make money from auto spin. Some of the games you can do auto spin on, but some of them you cannot. So every single game that Free Cash has on their site, some of them guys will not let you do the auto spin. I know Vegas slots is one that will let you guys do the auto spin. Also the animals and coins. I believe you have to hold down the spin button, whatever button that is, until it says auto spin. And once it says that, you can just release the button and it'll just constantly spin around, spin around, spin around. But you will have to go back and check it to make sure that it is still spinning. So if you got free cash, be sure to get Cash Kick because these two sites have similar games. Also, Inbox Dollars, they have similar games as well, guys. So if you got one phone with free cash on it, go in that closet, dust off them old Android phones, those old iPhones, and put Cash Kick on one of those phones. And then the third phone, if you have a third phone or three phones, put Inbox Dollars on the third phone. If you got four, get you Benjamin app, and you could be making money passively. Passively, guys. So all you have to do, get free cash. Let's start with that one. Download that one to your primary phone. If you have another phone, go and get Cash Kick. The links are on this list. Get Cash Kick in your basket. And Cash Kick, and again, free cash, they have some of the same games. So if I am playing Animals and Coins on free cash, best to believe I'm playing it over here on Cash Kick. If I can put it on auto spin on free cash, best to believe, guys, you can put it on auto spin on Cash Kick as well. And just let the phone make you some money. And a lot of y'all got these expensive electronics. There's no way I am going to have all of these expensive electronics and they cannot make me some type of money. Then you want to go over to Prolific, number 15, Cloud Research, number 16. People were on the wait list while I was streaming yesterday, and they turned around, and 5 minutes later, they were back in the chat saying, "Hey, I just signed up for Prolific. I was placed on the wait list, and now I have received an email that I am off." So, again, guys, do not sleep on Prolific and Cloud Research, by far, hands down, two of the best survey sites on the market, because whatever you guys put on your profile in the About Me section, they are going to send you surveys based off of what you have on your profile. So make sure that you check out Prolific and Cloud Research. Get on the wait list and then stalk that email to make sure that you don't miss out, just in case they email you back and you find out maybe a week or two later that you have come off the wait list. 5 survey panel, you take 5 surveys, you earn $5. The Benjamin app, same thing as Cash Kick and Free Cash. They do have a lot of different games that you guys can play. You also can put some of their games on auto spin. And also, guys, with the Benjamin app, you do have to have at least $25 in your account before you can cash out. But just make sure you guys get these eggs in your basket. Crowd Tap one question survey site. A lot of people were signing up last night to this one. I can't blame them because you can get those one question surveys pretty fast, and then you can just take them, go to the next one, take it, go to the next, take it, go to the next, and so on and so forth. Upside app, this is the one where you can get cash back on groceries, on gas, and gas prices are still high where we live. Groceries are still high where we live, and you can get cash back at your favorite restaurants. So what are you guys waiting for? Get that app, this Upside app number 47. Get that one in your baskets. Do not forget, guys, the link will be posted right below the video in the description box so you guys can check out these companies. Don't forget to hop over to Facebook. You want to join us. The group is Kiss That Cubicle Goodbye. You want to follow the two chicks with the side hustle, the Facebook, the business page, the Instagram, the TikTok, and the Twitter. Also, the two chicks with the side hustle 2.0 Facebook group, Facebook business page, and Facebook group, and the YouTube channel. That's what I wanted to say. The YouTube channel, Two Chicks with the Side Hustle 2.0. Come over there to the channel and subscribe. Last but not least, a Ray of Sunshine Daily Affirmations group. Guys, if you are someone that likes to read or post positive affirmations or quotes, you can come over there, join the group, and invite. My name is Carol, and I will catch you lovely kings and queens in the next work from home side hustle or live stream video. Bye, YouTube.